A Russian armored column, led by a tank and followed by infantry fighting vehicles, entered the village of Novoekonomicheskoe in Donbass. All the vehicles were equipped with mangal mesh-style protection. Despite resistance from FPV drones, the tank advanced successfully and managed to dismount troops in the area. In the footage, one FPV drone struck the front section of an IFV, but due to the mesh screen, the vehicle kept moving without serious damage. The vehicles successfully disembarked troops. The level of protection was so extensive that it limited the driver's visibility, resulting in rear-end collisions during sudden braking from the lead tank. At one point, an FPV drone approached a BMP from the rear, but the troops had already dismounted and moved into the woods. The IFV was equipped with spaced steel cables, which caused the drone to detonate at a distance before making contact. Overall, the mangal protection proved effective, allowing the Russian forces to safely reach their designated area.